Honorable Contest Chair, respected judges, and my dear friends. My worthy friend from the opposing team. When a child at home is told something by the mother and then is told something by the father, who does he or she listen to? I would like today all the men in this audience to put their right hand on their hearts and lift their left hands up only if you have understood all the women in your lives. Most men have not understood the women in their lives. Millions of men go back home every night and plead, darling, what is it that you really want? Which human being does not want to be understood? We women are human beings too. We also want to be understood. We women are smart. We are loving, caring. We are the mothers, the sisters, the wives, the girlfriends. Such an important part of this cosmos we are. Yet, we feel misunderstood. Even while there is a man standing next to us and saying, darling, what is it that you really want? Just goes to say that the woman has not been able to communicate to the men in her life. Just goes to say that we women are confusing communicators. For any communication to be effective, it has to be clear, focused, and compelling. Clear, the person listening has to understand, it has to be laser sharp, to be focused, not convey too many different meanings, and it has to compel the listener to act. For leaders and CEOs, this is crucial. Everyone can come up with bright ideas, men or women. I come up with a bright idea every hour. But there's a crucial missing link between vision and execution, and this is communication. Leaders and CEOs have that responsibility of communicating a vision into action. There's an independent study which says only 3.8% of the world's leaders are women. And Wikipedia says only 3.5% of the CEOs in the Fortune 1000 companies are women. Well, 95% of the leaders are men. It's the numbers that are showing. As of today, men are better communicators. Men are better at translating a vision into CFC, or the clear, focused, compelling message, which can produce the desired result. As of today, men are better communicators.